So this video is in response to a question that I was asked about presentations on my beginner guide video that I did for Mindmeister. So Mindmeister's recently brought back the presentation mode and it's available to everybody. So even free accounts like the one I'm using here, you can have presentation mode. So presentation mode lets you present your mind map so that each topic, whether it's a parent or child topic, will be on its own slide. So it's handy for if you're sharing your mind map on screen and want people to focus on individual topics. Before you start presentation mode though, there's a couple of things that you need to be aware of. Firstly, you can start the presentation from any topic in the map. Simply click on the topic where you want to start, then click on the presentation icon down here in the bottom left corner to begin the presentation. Secondly, the presentation moves from the top of the right hand side down, then over to the top of the left hand side and down. So you need to arrange your topics in the order that you want them to appear from the first slide that you choose. For example, if I want my presentation to start from this topic here, over on the left, the order of the presentation would be down each topic, then over to the right hand side and down each topic, then back up to the top left and down until we get back to where we started from. So I need to make sure that the next topic underneath this one is the one that I want to be shown next. If it isn't, then we can simply click and drag the topic that we do want to be shown and release it so it's underneath the topic. If you don't want some of the child topics to be shown in the presentation, you can collapse the topic before starting it. To do that, click on the connector here and it will hide the child topics. Click on it again to display them. So I'm just going to move this one back over to here and we're going to go from this topic here and I'm going to click on presentation view so you can see what it does. So anytime you want to zoom in and out, use the plus and the minus keys. To move through the presentation, you simply use the arrow keys. So to move forwards to the next slide, press the right arrow key. And to move back to the previous slide, you press the left arrow key. If you want to jump to any topic whilst in presentation mode, zoom out first and then you can quickly go to the topic you want to jump to, use your mouse and click on that topic, and then use the arrow keys as before to work your way through. To end the presentation at any time, press the escape key and it will bring you back to the normal mind map view. And that's how to use the presentation mode. It's quite easy. If you want to know how to use the free version of Mindmeister, here's my full beginner guide video to help. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.